Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're looking at the Hoover Paws and Claws Clean Packs, a product specifically designed to tackle some of the most stubborn pet messes around the house. If you've got pets and you've dealt with the nightmare of urine stains, tracked-in dirt, and other pet-related accidents, you'll want to stick around. These packs claim to make the cleaning process easier and more efficient, so let's see if it lives up to that promise. The Hoover Paws and Claws Clean Packs are designed to make cleaning pet stains easier with their pre-measured concentrated solution. They come with a powerful enzymatic formula that helps break down organic particles like urine, vomit, and even dirt your pet might drag in from outside. The key feature here is convenience. Each pack is sealed to prevent spillage, and all you have to do is pop one into your Hoover carpet cleaning machine. No measuring, no fuss. You just fill the clean water tank, add a pack, and you're ready to clean. This might seem simple, but it solves a major pain point for many users who find traditional liquid cleaners to be messy or difficult to use. These clean packs are also designed with practicality in mind. Compared to traditional cleaning formulas, they use 70% less water and weigh 77% less. This makes them significantly easier to handle and store. For anyone who has struggled with heavy bottles or running out of cleaner mid-session, this could be a game changer. Plus, less water means less waste, something we can all appreciate in today's eco-conscious world. In terms of performance, these Hoover Clean Packs do what they promise, tackling tough pet messes and stains. The enzymatic formula doesn't just mask odors, it breaks down the microscopic organic particles responsible for them. This helps to lift dirt and stains that might be deeply embedded in your carpet fibers. If you've ever had to deal with pet odors lingering long after you've cleaned, you'll know that the formula's ability to neutralize odors is a big deal. It's not just about cleaning, it's about ensuring your home smells fresh too. Now let's talk about ease of use. If you already own a Hoover carpet cleaning machine, you'll appreciate how these clean packs integrate seamlessly. Simply add the pack to the water tank and let your Hoover machine do the work. It's designed to be paired with Hoover's SmartWash Pet model or their 1PW cordless technology for ultimate convenience. Whether you're looking for the automatic cleaning of the SmartWash or the flexibility of a cordless option, these packs make it easy to maintain spotless results without the hassle. When it comes to real-world performance, these clean packs are pretty effective in lifting pet stains and odors from a variety of surfaces. Whether you're dealing with dried-in urine on a carpet or dirt tracked from the yard, the formula works well to break down even the most stubborn messes. However, keep in mind that for the best results, using them with a Hoover carpet cleaner is essential. While they're designed for these machines, you might find that other machines don't quite extract the solution as effectively, which could impact overall performance. One downside of the Hoover Paws and Claws Clean Packs is that they're designed for a specific purpose, cleaning pet stains and odors. If you don't have pets, or if you're only dealing with general household dirt, these may not be the most versatile solution. That being said, if you're a pet owner, these packs are a must-have for quick and easy cleaning without having to deal with liquid messes or excess waste. In terms of value, these clean packs provide solid performance for the price. They're affordable, especially considering the convenience of not having to measure out cleaner and the fact that they reduce waste. When compared to traditional cleaners or other enzymatic formulas on the market, Hoover's clean packs come out ahead in terms of both ease of use and environmental benefits. For those who already own a Hoover machine, it's a no-brainer. It's one less thing to worry about when cleaning up after your pets. If you're considering alternatives, there are other enzymatic cleaners on the market, but few are as easy to use as these pre-measured packs. Some might offer similar cleaning power, but when you factor in the simplicity of use, the reduced waste, and the ability to pair seamlessly with a Hoover carpet cleaner, it's hard to beat the Hoover Paws and Claws Clean Packs for convenience. As for the build quality, Hoover's reputation for reliability stands strong with these clean packs. The packs themselves are sturdy and well sealed, reducing the chances of spills or leaks when handling. There's nothing worse than dealing with a cleaning solution that's spilled in your closet or storage area, so Hoover has done well to ensure their packaging minimizes that risk. Long term, as long as you're using the clean packs within their intended purpose, you can expect them to last without any issues. In terms of maintenance, these packs are essentially a no-hassle cleaning solution. Once you've used them, the only maintenance left is to empty the waste tank of your Hoover cleaner and clean the filter as needed. There are no complex instructions and no extra tools or attachments to worry about. Just simple, effective cleaning. So, who is this product really for? If you're a pet owner with a Hoover carpet cleaning machine, these clean packs are an absolute win. They simplify the cleaning process, minimize waste, and provide excellent performance when it comes to lifting tough stains and odors. If you don't have a Hoover cleaner, though, this might not be the best solution for you, as the packs are designed specifically to work with their systems. Thank you for watching. If you've already tried the Hoover Paws and Claws clean packs, or have any questions about them, feel free to drop a comment below. If you're interested in purchasing them, the link can be found in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future reviews. And until next time, remember, a cleaner home is a happier home. Goodbye!